And we are back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an abstract oil painting effect in Adobe Photoshop. What we'll need is a photo. We can use any. I use this waves photo. I convert it to a smarter object after copying it by pressing Ctrl J. Let us make it black and white by clicking on this icon. We'll need that later. Then I go to Filter, Stylize and Oil Paint. It takes a lot of processing time depending on how big your photo is. The values I use 4, 4, 4, 4. And for shine, I play around with it a little bit. Maybe I use 3 or 2. Just try it out. As I've said, it takes a lot of processing time. So when you change the values, it might lead to a lot of waiting time. You might want to check out the values first with a small photo. So once you've got what you want, press OK. I'll press Ctrl J and copy it. So now I've got 2 of these oil painting layers. I'll make the first one invisible, and then I go to my filter gallery for the second one and use on the brush strokes the angled stroke. And the direction, you can see that it changes by 90 degrees. So now it's top left, bottom right. I'm gonna go to 0 for the direction balance, and the stroke length I've cranked it up to the max. The sharpness I position it somewhere around the middle. Now I'll make the second one on top visible again. I'll use the same filter once more, but this time I'll change the direction. So I go to the max value, and now I've got it top right to bottom left. I'll add a layer mask for the top one, and now I use the gradient tool. Make sure that you've got a foreground to transparent preset selected, and when you've got black and white as the colors, you can create this effect. So from top to bottom it becomes gradually less invisible, so more visible at the bottom than at the top. Let me make that invisible and you can see what it does. We can improve the results by adding some texture. I use a new layer for that. I right click and I create a smart object. Now I want to choose some colors because I want to render clouds, and I use grayish colors, so a dark gray and a light gray color. Maybe these 2 colors are fine. Your order doesn't play a role here anymore. Now I go to Filter, Render and Clouds. If I double click on the clouds on my smart object, it will be randomized once again. Now I change the blending mode. Screen lightens it up entirely, so I use overlay in this case, and I go down with the opacity. Maybe to around 40% in this case. And this is the basic effect. You can use it to create these abstract oil paintings in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.